Now let's take a look at a hand-operated DIY duct cleaning brush. The bristles are easily pulled from a broom with pliers and then straightened. A small dab of hot glue in the center of the bundles holds them together. Now I just line up the bristles like so to help estimate the length of the wire that will need to be bent. After bending, pliers are used to squeeze the bend even tighter. Then the bristles are inserted into the hook as shown. The glue in the middle of the bundles is centered on the hook and wedged into place. This brush will only have 6 bundles of bristles, but many more can be installed if desired. Just need to make the hook section longer to accommodate them. When I'm happy with their positioning, some hot glue is applied to hold them in place. The little loop on the tip is filled with hot glue so it hopefully won't snag on anything inside the ductwork. Now I just twist the hook 180 degrees to form a spiral using these 2 pair of pliers. The overall diameter of the homemade brush came out to around 11 inches. This short segment of wire protruding from the back here is cut off. Then more glue is added to cover the sharp end. It's ugly, but should help prevent the brush from getting caught on something in the air duct. Not as impressive as the drill-powered brushes, but it can clean. It of course doesn't remove the dirt and rust that stuck onto the floor very well. Works fine for dust and hair and small debris though. Think I'll cut the extension wire down to about 20 feet since that's all I need. I'll need to use a duct vacuum to suck out the dust and debris swept up into the air when using the hand brush. The vacuum made during part 3 should work fine for that. Thanks for watching.